Hello everyone, welcome to Amrita's monthly current affairs series, and we are starting with the June month governance session. So starting with the COVID beep app. So COVID beep app is basically beeps will come when some sort of monitoring is happening, right? So the full form is continuous oxygenation and vital information detection biomed, i.e. EICL ISCL pod, big name. The idea is basically the mapping of the physiological parameters while those people those who are COVID affected. Now if you have seen the COVID affected people, what is basically the most important part is mapping of their heart rates, blood pressure, oxygen rate, most importantly, right? So for that purpose they have come up with this COVID beep. Okay, so it is developed by the employers State Insurance Corporation Medical College in Hyderabad along with the IIT Hyderabad, okay, and Department of the Atomic Energy. It is mentioned in our PIB, so hence we are discussing it. Okay, so what they will monitor effectively, so they will monitor human non-invasive blood pressure, NIPB, ECG, electrocardiogram, some this heartbeats and all, and the respiratory rates. One thing you must have observed that a lot of people with the heart condition, and if they get the COVID, they are also facing some dire consequences. Apart from that, if you keep on monitoring, if you have the ventilators and you can give people the oxygen supply at times, the loss of life will be less. Next is India's first online waste exchange platform. So state government initiative is there, but it is a this platform they have launched. So we have included it here. So it is launched by the Andhra Pradesh government, Mr. Jagmohan Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. So it will help authorities to monitor the movement of the hazardous waste real time using the tool is incorporated in the platform. Okay. So first online waste exchange platform for the disposal of the industrial toxic wastes. Next is Indian Biosafety Knowledge Portal. So this portal was 2019 it was launched. It has become now fully operational, and the applications related to the research in the DNA technology, hazardous microorganism will be taken up here. Under which department? Department of the Biotechnology. Next is Arogya Path. So what is Arogya Path? Path means way. So basically Arogya Path is a supply chain management system, you can say. Okay, so it will provide this portal will provide the real time availability of the critical healthcare supplies such as PPE kits, this ventilators, this oxygen supplies, all these things. So it will serve all the manufacturers, suppliers and the customers, so including everyone on this just one portal, so as to know the real time, in the real time what we are how much supplies we have, critical supplies we have, right? So last mile delivery of the patient care will be done through Arogya Path app. One of the apps can be asked, one of the portals can be asked. Then we have Tulip portal. So Tulip means the Urban Learning Internship Program. So it's a 5-year joint venture of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and a All India Council for Technical Education. So what they want to provide? They want to provide internship opportunities for with the smart city and the urban local bodies to these fresh graduates, mostly from the technical courses, right? But stipend is not guaranteed. Okay. So the government launches Tulip portal to promote internship to the graduates engineer under the smart city projects, right? If these questions come, these questions will be very easy to answer. If you know it, then that's fine. If you don't know it, it's very difficult to answer. And if you have not read it or revised it, the more likely position is to just leave it. Next is Satyabhama portal. What is Satyabhama portal? So Satyabhama portal is Ministry of Mines has come up with Satyabhama portal to improve the mining sector, to improve the research and development in the mining and the mineral sector. This portal is integrated with the NGO Darpan portal of the Niti Aayog as well. So Niti Aayog has which portal? NGO Darpan portal, on which good NGOs, if they want to associate with the government, they will be registered on that portal. Okay. Who was Satyabhama first of all? So Satyabhama was actually the consort of the wife of the Lord Krishna. She is also known as the Bhumi Devi, the Lord of the Earth. And then now you can connect Satyabhama, that is earth, that is mining. So to improve the research and development in the mining field, we have Satyabhama portal. So this is being the portal, Ministry of Mines. So we are done with the session. Very small information was there. Let us see 5 questions that we have been doing for previously 4 sessions. First is write the statement about the 3S project. So it is a project to optimize the post-marketing surveillance of the priority drugs and vaccines. It was recommended by the World Trade Organization. As a part of the 3S project, India is evaluating the recently introduced the rotavirus vaccines. Okay, let us see. Mark it the question and then we will see the answer. You can pause the video also and you can, I'll just wait for the 5 seconds and then we will carry on. Right. So 3S project we have discussed. So this is called Smart Safety Surveillance Project of 3S. It is a project to optimize the post-marketing surveillance of the priority drugs and vaccines. It is being recommended by the WHO. Considering the limited safety data on the vaccines being introduced in India. So it is evaluating its recently introduced rotavirus vaccines. So it is not recommended by the WTO first of all. So this one is wrong. If the second statement is wrong, then this becomes wrong, this becomes wrong. We have third option, India is evaluating its rotavirus. So C option is right. So 3S project, remember it. Okay. Next is MEWS portal, that is Market Intelligence and Early Warning System web portal. Now from early warning system, what you can remember, something like it is related to disaster management if you have not read about it. So the options are, okay, I have given you some clue. So let us wait for 5 seconds. Okay. So I hope you have gone through the question and you guessed it correctly as well. So MEWS portal by Ministry of Food Processing Industry, we've read about it, developed by NAFED. So it is a part of the Operation Greens. Operation Greens that was announced last year budget about doing the same thing that we done with the project Operation White. White Revolution, some kind of a thing. So it is for the TOP, that is tomato, onion and potato. So real-time monitoring of the prices of the TOP, that is onion, tomato, onion and potato, and simultaneously generating alerts for intervention. The intervention has to, under the Operation Greens, when it will take place, when this portal say that the prices have gone through a threshold, and that's all this portal is all about. Okay. So that's the answer is B. Next question is Nidhi Prayas program seen recently in the news aims to. So let us wait. Please read the options and let us try to find out the answer. Right. So please also pause the scene if you really want to, because we have discussed majority of these initiatives and you must be reading from some other sources as well. So you should try to answer these questions. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is A. So why we have read Nidhi Prayas? So we have read Nidhi Prayas because of this. SciTech Aeron, a new technology has been developed under the Nidhi Prayas initiative. Nidhi Prayas initiative was larger part of the Nidhi, that is National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovation Program under the Department of the Science and Technology, right? So providing the needs which are socially relevant, globally important like these events. So air purifying technology, they have come up with under this Nidhi Prayas initiative. Okay. So the idea is to you build up a prototype, you showcase to the government. If the government likes it, it is socially relevant, it is relevant for government priorities, they will do the funding part. So this is A, promoting entrepreneurship and innovation among the youth. Next question is CITIIS, Cities Investment to Innovate, Integrate and Sustain Program is an initiative of. So please read the options. So actually we have not covered it because it was a current affair of late 2018, but it was mentioned in a few of the questions that we have in our test series. So that's why I kept it. So CITES, just remember, it is an initiative. Its full form is City Investment to Innovate, Integrate and Sustain. So it is a partnership between Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, European Union, and a French agency, AFD, and National Institute of Urban Affairs, and all these things. Okay. So the idea obviously is to implement this urban infrastructure projects that are integrated, innovation driven, and sustainable. More importantly, you just need to know about these things from prelims perspective. That is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and European Union. Let us see the next question, important one for this XGS exam, that is National Electronic Toll Collection. So it has been developed by NPCI to meet the electronic tolling requirement of the Indian market. It does not offer interoperability operations on the national scale covering all toll plazas. It aims at reducing the fuel consumption and thereby reducing the air pollution. Which of the following statements are right? Read it and then answer it. So we have this is an initiative, NETC, that is National Electronic Toll Collection. It's an initiative of the NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India. I hope you have read about NPCI. NPCI is a very important organization. The UPSC has asked 1 to 2 questions on NPCI. It has asked question on UPI Bheem that are also developed by NPCI, right? So NPCI has developed the National Electronic Toll Collection Program to meet the electronic tolling requirements of the Indian market. So FASTag, that is FASTag, we have, you should know about FASTag. It is an interoperable national-wide toll payment. Obviously, if it is not interoperable, how can you go for the seamless travel experience or seamless tolling experience, I should say. So the whole idea of the FASTag was to remove these logistical costs. And if you don't have interoperability, that will more or less maintain these logistics cost, or they can increase these logistics cost, isn't it? So they have an interoperable national-wide toll payment system, and it enables the customer to pay their FASTag as a payment mode on any toll plaza, irrespective of who has acquired the toll plaza. So irrespective of who is using the toll plaza, whichever company is using the toll plaza, but from your end, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So that is, and this National Electronic Toll Collection System is developed by NPCI. It does not offer interoperability and it aims at reducing the fuel consumption. Obviously, the idea is FASTag will reduce the fuel consumption and reduce the air pollution eventually. So answer 1 and 3 are right. What are the other products of NPCI? Let us list, important which we need to remember. Starting with IMPS, right? Then IMPS build up upon UPI Bheem. If you have not read about it, please do read, because these are very important. Then we have RuPay card. This question has been asked, RuPay card. Then we have National Electronic Toll Collection. Then we have NFS, that is National Financial Switch, that is the interconnecting points between all the ATMs. Then we have the NACH, NACH, that is cleaning house, that is monthly payments you do. Okay. So NACH is there, some other things, Aadhaar enabled payment system is there. So all these are product of the NPCI. Okay. If you have not prepared those, please do go and prepare it. So with this, we finish our session. Let us quickly revise what we have discussed. We started with the discussion on COVID BPAP. So developed by the Hyderabad, both the institute, IIT Hyderabad and Employment State Insurance Corporation Medical College. Then the first online waste exchange program by the Andhra Pradesh. Then biosafety portal by DBT, Arogya Path for supply chain management of all the critical supplies which are required for the COVID-19. Then Tulip portal, that is the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and All India Council for Technical Education, providing internship opportunity to the people. Satyabhama portal, Satyabhama being the consort, third consort I think of Lord Krishna, who was the Lord or the Queen of Bhumi Queen, right? Okay. Then you've discussed the question first on the 3S, WHO, rotavirus vaccine and surveillance, safety and all these things. Then EWS portal, that is related to Operation Greens. Then we have Nidhi Prayas, entrepreneurship and innovation among the portal. Then we have the CITES, CITEIIS by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, European Union and a French agency. And lastly, a National Electronic Toll Collection System. So with this, we finish our session, everyone. See you in the next class, Governance 2, Governance 3 of June month. Then we will have the July month governance portion. With this, we finish our session. Bye bye for now. Thank you.